This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
And again, maybe I'll hold later, but I'm call Marie Jata.
General,
yeah.
Message here by na make a crabby say Maradona wu na Messi and Argentina to me title ama Chrono. I feel it's a football. I mean, it's a kind of coincidence and as a belief there. But so share age difference that Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi in terms of 869 days. You know the same days in that Ronaldo Bapani and Messi Bapani in term.
Okay.
869 days. And Panifon me the same days and Ankara me the same different continent, different countries. Obia kwaya na ade no obia nyina ho. But the same days in the double term. Now linking to the message. So call Rosario Cecilia before I call Rosario no. Back in 93, na Zambia for ball World Cup qualifiers. Ade atia Senegal for. Now general omudu Dakar no na flight na start here nyanya issues kakra and unim say Libreville Gabon 500 meters offshore and a flight in the Koteshe. That is 93. 2012 Zambia got tournament or Gabon could draw a good sabompaye and the Mokoje title no. So mo fan say beginning of the journey and the end of that journey. So Oshe Rosario how you Messi. On Argentina for a critic Maradona, sorry. And they have a scripture on the Maradona. Now, General Shadibi, the last title Argentina G was back in 1986, June. The last title, 1986 World Cup, June, Maradona Nigeria. The same June, and Messi. June, Corona, Copa America, Messi, Argentina. And they have a church almost similar. Of which over here, say, almost scripture, Josue El Diego de la Gente. Just like the people for Maradona. Fan say God. And that city na Messi no. So it was felt to say independent free general about this Argentina betimi AGBB. So BGDO, so be intimidindio. You go back to 1986 June. That was the last trophy of OJ. You come back to this particular year, June and OJ Copa America. And the June was a manta line Messi obelidiomo. So I think there's some sort of connection be or minim se kind of coincidence and I say belief. Makakra wo independent message no. Now Copa America no general basis so turn mumbo quickly. They analyze it through how Brazil switch it through. So this was a particular goal Argentina shared back in 2018 against Nigeria. Very similar pattern. At this point almost Benega and the crab ball no mfimfi. Look at Messi in that blue tower and just in front of the back four for Nigeria. This is 2018 World Cup also and Messi control ball no with the tie. The lap, just simple. And at this point, this is Rodrigo de Paul. When Brazil switched to that 4-4-2 with Paqueta and Neymar leading the lines. And look at their goal partner, who will be the earlier. Rodrigo de Paul having a big space in midfield. And I'll try say at this point, Obe releasing Angel Di Maria through on goal. And look at the back four of Brazil national team. You have Thiago Silva, Marquinhos, Lodi, and of course Danilo and Omachipe and Angel Di Maria control. But general, something unusual about Brazil team, look at the big space down with team between the 4-4-2 actually in fin. So Usha said Di Maria in Saka born goalkeeper Ederson no nim so beba. Meanwhile, the back four now were set apart. Control of the situation. So who said Ederson in that blue tower want me and PA I'm showing his sweeping skills and a backline also so DCV or more and Argentina at the ball we say to me just after this goal near call breaking the bar. Look at Neymar in that mist of bodies for Brazil and at this point or try so dribble through releasing Lucas Paqueta and look at how Argentina is setting up giving huge chance to Brazil and I feel that this was one of arguably the best saves at Copa America course. Look at how Argentina a backline also so Amish giving a whole space and time to Lucas Paqueta, but the goalkeeper was off the line and ultimately saved this particular situation. And look at Messi passer, true passer or the man Rodrigo de Paul. And at this point, I thought Messi unusually on time say chance way, but a very nice true pass, giving him a space behind the back line for Argentina. General Messi Koselpe and Obo Bono at the touching here. It's very unusual from Lionel Messi, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna far winner. After Euros, near Shemuka Krebi, Tony Munsan guide now overshare England national team, first of all, conservatism on the back tournament. This is the back three of Maguire, Stones, and Kyle Walker. But I did have a chance to say, sure, our triple rows. or defend a bomb field, a ball attack. But Trippier there, no Konani Munkwa, no Abanechi. So Osha this particular goal, it was a goal of conceded here, I mean Italy. A conceded here, Spain national team, you know, and Mekai wire or more let you so much down 3 players orchestrating this particular move from deep defense Busquets or connected Dani Olmo and quickly Morata Adebono Kotume. And I said it, this is not a signature of Italian defense. And Bonucci was unaware, Chiellini was out of position, and quickly 2 players negotiated their build-up and attack. And when you had this goal at the Spain national team, you know, and then similar thing ended by. And at this point, once Bonucci, Lechipe, and Morata, Efa sending the striker on 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper, your friend said Gigi Donnarumma. And I felt say Italy air coming no man correcting him. So look at Italy backline. And yeah, they tell whom say Catanaccio was defined in that soil. But look at how Spain national team area, and from the aerial space, almost a general very nice setting up in the 4-4-2. Look at 3 players and making the deal for Spain, and big space picking one in midfield, 3 players in the Busquets in deep defense, midfield there Dani Olmo, and then Morata up front. So Italy national team was scattered on the field, but Spain it me area in your chance. Now compare this to no goal at Munyaye. This is it. Look sure. Bono having Harry Kane dropping deep above the Bono Diaco. Now look at how Italy national team set up. So this is a back 3 for England national team. Harry Maguire, Stones, of course, and Kyle Walker, and I know what you know. So at this point, there is a big man running down the wings, and that is Trippier. How Italy has set up, gave big space to the wide man. So on forward him right now, shall see how look sure having that roles, from deep defense, one back, and then of course attack. Now, Jonah, look at something. Look sure, look at how Italy structure in their own defense. And I said it. This is not an Italian defense. Concentration, no baby, but action. And Kasani baby look sure, having a big space, picking the second post, just as Morata did against Spain and England had their first goal.
Okay.
Now, General, I did a mention and say, proud to this tournament. England, but look at their shape. England are dropping in back 5. Double pivot to one fin, and of course, up front in 3. Sterling, Harry Kane, and Mason Mount. So, regardless of this particular shape of City deep, Pickford had to give us one of the best saves in the tournament, and that is Federico Chiesa having a space in that deep defense for Italy, and now we negotiate this attack. So in as much as England are falling deep in general, it still gave access to Italy to attack them. And I could be version on attacking sense. England used to centre backs, Harry Maguire, John Stones. And this is it. So this game was played against Czech and John Stones and an centre back. This was a game they played against Scotland, and John Stones and a player almost 7 as the number 9 in set pieces. So look at something. Sterling Rowe now, but unattackable. He's there just to delay somebody, and it gives room to John Stones in deep in the midst of the Scotland defense. Not the ball, hit it on the target. But at this point, a goal post. Different country, different setups, but the ideology has always been very much same. Centre backs, in general, are the main man when it comes to set pieces. But unfortunately, England are conceded from just 2 set pieces our tournament to SM. I did so much in attacking sense. Now, England and a person Germany. And look at the setup at L box. Anytime Biano almost set backs in a one, and those are the players that are Maguire Shahobi. And look at Raheem Sterling in that box. Juma obey delay attack, delay obi, hold obi, and look at the strategy. 2 players in a warm more than for the first and then the second push. Now Harry Maguire, the freedom to attack the ball. So say Drew Conesa and number 9 for no any Jumano, a centre back for the Edgeman by England. And this was against Germany and Russia. So different country, different set pieces. Always the centre backs are the target. So John Stones and Harry Maguire and the it's a very nice strategy. England a couple of goals every name general say a defender. This is against Ukraine. Harry Maguire position, he's been always the target man in set pieces and dead balls, and he's a first man in air. We will say through there's another one for Henderson. Always used to play very dominant in air. General and the attacking. So look at the zone marking from Ukraine. But over there's one man called Henderson on the blue tower. So centre backs, any players that want more good height, very, very good physically. And then England use some in set pieces. Nemo general so omu defender and then they go and buy a defender. So look at it. 4 players anyway. Maguire or Stones or Obenya Hurricane and then Henderson. But look at the defending from Ukraine and our player friends Henderson that free rules on Fabona and two. And it was a very nice strategy. Always picking the first and second post. Oh, analyze them, give me detail. But Enra, Omu defended set piece against Italy. Now look at how they conceded against Italy. But we are self condition on Declan Rice and Bonucci. Keep your eyes closer on those 2 players and in the midst of it, keep your eyes closer on those 2 players. How Obama during the last end, general, no journey, so Pimbono. So attacking sense, England was so superb in getting goals from the centre backs, but in defending, they were so vulnerable and weak. And I first send on bomb. So look at it, Ojamagoyachi and Ojan Declan Rice and him. I mean Bonucci. And at this point, Olusuna no. So look at the 2 players. Now Juma the man say centre backs in about Unkrabako, but Declan Rice were in any, and the second ball fell peacefully for Bonucci and Okan the 2 general.
Marijata, yo. Owura Copa America no asaba Euro 2020 no enso emu mo amhwe live e wo Facebook no em say wa cheche ne mpa